I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am show you how to submit text information form in Google AdSense for YouTube and Blogger. Let's start. First, open your Google AdSense account. Click Account Settings. Click United States Tax Info. Click Manage Tax Info. You may not be eligible to receive tax reporting document due to your tax status or because you did not receive qualifying payments. If you are eligible, your document appear as soon as they are ready. I can resubmit this form. Click Submit New Form. Start new form. Sign in, first verify check. What type of account? Click individual and next. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Select no and next. Select W8 tax form type. Select individual. Automatically type my full name. Select your country. I am in Pakistan. And type your foreign TIN, your government identity number, and next. Check permanent residence address. Select your country and street address and type your city and postal code. And check mailing address is same as permanent resident address and next. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? Yes. Resident of country. Check resident of country. Select your country. You select Google AdSense and select Article 3 and Paragraph 2 and withholding rate, select reduce 0% treaty rate and check motion picture and select no treaty for this income type and reduce rate 30% default rate. Select 30% default rate and check and check other copyright and select Article 8 and Paragraph 1 and 0% reduce rate. And check and next. This is text form PDF file. Click I confirm that I have reviewed and next. Click yes, I am the person named in a tax identity section. Sign this form and type your full legal name. And next. Activities and services performed in the US. Click no. Check I clarify. Status change. Click I am providing tax info for a new of existing payment profile that has not received payment. Click I am not receiving payments in Google AdSense account and next. I accept the paperless delivery agreement and submit. And tax form approved. Your tax info for United States has been accepted. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.